Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is September 12th. I have a lot of fabric, a kit, a huge panel, and then a new vendor to share with you today. So settle in and get comfortable. This new vendor's name is Amy Blackman, and she's been a Cary resident for 36 years. I'm going to just show you these while I am floating through her bio. She loves to create colorful, fun wreaths and door decor, which is a less expensive alternative to a full wreath. The majority of her items are designed to fit between a storm door and a front door without flattening any of the ribbons or materials. That one is so cute. And she makes both seasonal and everyday decor. This is a couple of Christmas options. This is a smaller, less expensive alternative to a full door wreath. So that might be nice if you lived maybe in an assisted living center or an apartment. You just want something small for your door. And then let me share with you the two giveaways that she is sharing with us. One is this kind of preppy female version and it is still a Christmas or holiday thing because you can see the words on the ribbons there. And then this is a nice spring option. So again, the vendor's name for this one is Amy Blackman, and her business name is the Whimsical Grammy. So we look forward to having her at our market. She is, this will be her first time with us. And now we have glitter on things, not surprising. Okay, next up, I'm gonna have to come around the corner to show you two of the things for today. So the first one is this quilt. It's called First Blush. Whoa. Oh, I guess it's pinned together at the bottom. So it looks like this, but just bigger. And this kit is now on sale. You can see some of the really pretty, it's all batik, the really pretty batiks in there. So I will link to this kit in the description of today's video and in the little link card on the top of YouTube so you can find it. We only have just a handful left. I think we have about 4 of them left. So if you love that kit, go ahead and grab it. Next up is Songs of Faith, and this is the panel for Songs of Faith, and it is so pretty. Christian song titles and hymns are artfully arranged in very decorative patches on a 24-inch panel. Add in the musical notes and tossed text prints to create quilts that will have everyone singing praise. This is by Cindy Sepp for Quilters Treasures or QT Fabrics, and these are the other pieces that we've purchased from that collection. It's a really fun way. I know, like my mom, for one, loves religious music. So kind of a fun way to celebrate religious music in fabric. Let's see. Next, I've got all kinds of things going on here today, is the ABC panel. So this one is huge and awesome. And let's see. Got to hold it up the right way. This is a gigantic panel. It's more than 2 yards of fabric in one panel. So the really great thing about this is you could just throw a border on this and make it into a quilt. Or of course you could take it apart. You could put the numbers on the back and the letters on the front. And then these little pieces like this one and that one down there that are just sort of fillers you could use in other ways. You could take those apart and turn them into pinwheel blocks or any kind of blocks you come up with. So I love, look at the details, like the G in giraffe. See that giraffe head coming around the G? That's so fun, and the chameleons in the sea. So lots and lots of fun things in this print. Lots of fun for I Spy. So let's go around and read about this guy. This is ABC, features a panel full of colorful characters, letters, and a stripe in a bright color palette. Whoa. So there's the fun print that goes with it. That's so cute. Oh man, I love this, you guys. That would be such a fun border for that panel. And then of course this stripe is always going to be a perfect addition. You could put that as a small inner border and then put this animal toss as your outer border, or of course you can use that as a binding. So there's a ready-made quilt for the next baby in your life. And then over here we have more moonscape dots from Dear Stella. This is a really great blender line that they are starting to roll out in more and more colors. And I love it because it has a bit of a linear look to it, but it still can be used in any orientation. So the colors are also delicious. This is not kind of the colors that you see in everyday blenders. These kind of fill those gaps where, oh, I wish I could find that one peach that's a little pinker and a little lighter. You know, this is going to be filling that void. And look at that pretty citrine color. So I really do appreciate that dear Stella is taking the time to find new colors for us in this great blender. So that's what we have for you today. As a reminder, our handmade market is October 15th, 10 to 4. It is rain to shine, or rain or shine, because we have a great huge awning around the outside of the shop where our sidewalk vendors will be protected, and then our other vendors are bringing their own tents. And we have some vendors in our meeting center that day. So you will be able to shop no matter what the weather, and we hope that you mark this on your calendar to come and see us during the handmade market. Hope you have a great Monday. Find some time to sew, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.